What to do when you have a huge lot of syllabus and a very less time to revise? One day before the exam, what can you do? So here are some quick tips. First is make sure what is important for the examination during the year-long study process and highlight those sections on the book. While you are highlighting, take important points on the side of the book or in a different notebook, and that would be the key points that you would have to keep in mind towards the last day. Very important point for revision during the last time. Another important thing is there are two important things. What is the content you have to remember or the thing that you have to memorize, and the second is the concepts. Usually one day before the examination, the things which are related to rote learning become exceptionally important. So focus on the key things. You can either have mnemonics by your side. We have taken a different lecture where we have focused on mnemonics, how to create mnemonics, so that could be another way. And the key highlights that you have underlined in your text during your study, or the key things which you have written in the side of your notebooks, are extremely important to understand. So those are some of the key things that you must keep in mind one day before your examination. Don't stress out, and most important thing is stay focused, stay calm. Don't get conscious that there are so many books, I have to go through each and every book. That's practically not possible. If you are doing that on the last day of the examination, probably you would be losing your confidence and securing less than what you can actually do. So stay tuned for further updates and interesting sessions. Have a wonderful day.